to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey and I am a 21-year-old living in San Francisco, and this is yet another what I eat in a week. It's starting from a Wednesday and ending on a Sunday, so you get that weekday, weekend action. But I love watching and making these types of videos because I just want to showcase that living a healthy lifestyle or eating healthy does not have to be restrictive. I practice intuitive eating, meaning I eat when I'm hungry, I stop when I'm full, and if I'm craving something, I give myself it. I really think there's a misconception that being healthy has a cookie cutter image, or you need to put yourself in a box and eat only a certain type of food to be healthy. Like, healthy, the definition, the view on health differs person by person, so I would just say listen to your body and what it needs for you to feel your best self. So yeah, little rant over, but I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. Hump day! I started my morning off with some iced coffee per usual with almond milk and coconut creamer, and then I made myself a yogurt bowl with berries that I microwaved so they're nice and warm and like jam-like, and then I mix it with my Greek yogurt, which I use a cup of Chobani, and then I sliced up some bananas, topped it on top with some gluten-free granola from Trader Joe's, and it was thebomb.com. And then I also topped it off with almond butter. You can't forget almond butter, it makes everything better. So that was brekkie. Later that afternoon, I took a lovely 3-mile stroll from my neighborhood to Fisherman's Wharf. And it's really interesting to see that although San Francisco has decreased slightly in their cases, that the city is very, very vacant compared to others. Around 2 p.m. I got my blood work done because I am trying to see if I have low ferritin and if I'm anemic, which thankfully I am not, although being always cold and lacking iron because I don't eat red meat. But I ate some grapes that my dad got me, and then when I got home I snacked on this maple kettle corn, which is very seasonal and with the fall vibes. It's super good. And after I snacked a little bit, I went on another walk to Fisherman's Wharf with my roommate Kat. It was another 3 miles and it was very lovely again, and I haven't gone to Ghirardelli Square in so long since I was a child, so it was really nostalgic to see it. For dinner, I had the classic avocado toast. I sliced an avocado, and look how beautiful this one is. Literally the most perfect thick avocado ever. I toasted up 2 slices of keto bread, fried up 2 eggs for protein, and then used half the avocado for my toast. Topped it all off with everything but the bagel seasoning, red pepper flakes, and pickled onions, and it was glorious and so good. Later that evening, I snacked on some green grapes, and these grapes were huge, they were crunchy, and nothing better than a green grape that's big and crunchy. And then after, I snacked on a corn on the cob because my mom gave it to me when I went to get my blood work done, but corn is always good. I like corn. On Thursday, I started my morning off with an iced coffee per usual, and then I headed to Marin County, crossed the bridge with my friend Alexis to go to Home Goods because the closest one is 20 miles away. and we just picked up some stuff, and then after we went to Mr. Pickles, which is a sandwich shop, and you'll see what we got. What kind of sandwich did you get?
I got the Big Easy. It's basically avocado and their chicken salad.
And then I got a veggie pesto, which is just veggies with pesto. sliced the corn. I like cut the corn into the salad as people do, and I topped it off with the shrimp burger from Trader Joe's and this salad. It's so bomb. Happy Saturday. I made myself a egg scramble with egg whites, vegan sausage, spinach, and vegan mozzarella. I sauteed the vegan sausage, added the spinach, and then I added the egg whites, and I think because they were like frozen because of our whack fridge, they were like low-key super watery and like very, very mushy, but I just ate it with a bagel thin later on, so it was still very good, but the egg whites, they were kind of bugging. Here comes the afternoon snack attack. After I hung out with my cousin, I came home and had popcorn, and I had this Built peanut butter brownie protein bar. It's so great. It only has 5 grams of sugar and 18 grams of protein, which is amazing. And then I had some grapes, and then I had some everything but the bagel yogurt dip and plantain chips after I got back from Trader Joe's. And then I had an apple, and yeah, your girl was in a snacky mood, and especially with the new snacks she got from her grocery run, she was just going ham. Then for dinner, I had a smoothie with some Vita Proteins collagen peptides, peanut butter, blueberries, spinach, and almond milk. And there's something about the combination of peanut butter and blueberries that just does it for me. But the color was really dark, but trust me, it tastes so freaking good. I can't explain it. So good. I'm a smoothie addict. Sunday. Ew, that sounds so gross. I made myself some iced coffee with almond milk and coconut creamer, you know the drill, and then I made some protein pancakes from Trader Joe's. I made one for myself and one for my roommate Kat, but for her I made them with chocolate chips because she's a chocolate chip girl and I'm a blueberry and banana pancake girl. And I just mixed up the toppings within the pancake batter, and then I fried those up, and then I added the toppings, and of course you cannot forget about the almond butter and sliced bananas on top, and it is just so freaking good. And I don't know what happened, but I think I might be a pancake girl now, although I still like waffles, but I haven't had waffles in so freaking long because I don't have a waffle maker, which I should probably get one. But yeah, delicious Sunday breakfast. It just screams brunch. Around 3 o'clock, I had some chips and guac and wine by the beach because it was such a beautiful sunny day. And when I got back, I knocked out and woke up around 7 and I had an apple. And then I ordered for pickup at a Thai restaurant and I got tofu pad thai and tom kha soup with tofu. And I had that around 9 p.m., which it's okay because literally my body was hungry and I wanted it. So I gave myself the food. But that is everything I ate from Wednesday to Sunday, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to treat your body with kindness. So see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.